You come home from work, you're tired, you say you'll work on your side hustle, but somehow you end up scrolling on your phone or watching YouTube for 2 hours. I've been there. But here's the truth, it's not because you lack discipline, it's because your habits are doing exactly what they're designed to do. In this video, I'll break down exactly how habits work and how to flip that loop so your habits are working for you, not against you, and help you build your side hustle, even if you have a busy 9 to 5. Every habit follows the same 4-step loop. And this comes straight from the book Atomic Habits by James Clear. Let's break it down quickly and I'll show you how it plays out in real life. So the first part is the cue. This is the trigger. It might be coming home from work, sitting on the couch. Then comes the craving. For example, I want to relax, I want to relieve stress, I want to get a dopamine hit. Then there's the response. This is what you do next, often without even thinking about it. This is the action. This could be going on your phone, going onto YouTube, turning on Netflix. And then there's the reward that you get from this activity. This is the dopamine response you get, the instant distraction, comfort, gratification. Once your brain links this loop together, it repeats it automatically without you even thinking about it. That's why you keep falling into the same routines. You're tired, you're stressed, and you want that instant reward. So you automatically engage in that bad or unhelpful habit. So with that knowledge, how can you use this habit loop to build your side hustle? And this should work even if you feel tired or distracted or low energy. So number one, you want to make the cue obvious, and this could be stacking it with something you already do. For example, when you finish dinner, I open my laptop. That could be the cue. Next, you want to make the craving attractive. You want to tie your identity to it. For example, when you do the action, you tell yourself, I'm the type of person who builds for my future, who is productive. Or you can make the session enjoyable, like playing music. Then you want to make the response easy. Don't plan to work on your business, that's too vague. Instead, open your script and write one sentence. So very small, very measurable, very specific, and fundamentally very easy. So it's so easy, anyone can do it. Finally, you want to make the reward satisfying. One way you can do this really effectively is tracking it. This means that you get that big tick once you've completed the good habit. Cross it off on a calendar, do an X on your journal, or just say it out loud. When I was doing a 12-hour shift in the hospital, I barely had any time. Once I came home from work, probably about 1 hour left before I really needed to start heading to bed to sleep. And that was really challenging, but what I did manage to do was just turn up. I said, okay, I'm just gonna do 5 minutes, open my laptop and write one sentence. And even on those bad, busy days, it was just a way to keep up the habit, keep up the momentum. And so when I did have more time, it was a lot easier to just extend that time out. So if you want to finally be productive, make progress on your side hustle, even with a busy 9 to 5, you're stressed and you're tired. The key is to not force it, but to actually design your habits. Use the 4-step loop to rewire how you show up. And if you want a free side hustle habit stacking template, I've designed one for you specifically for side hustles, building that habit. So you can check the description and get that for free. Goodbye.